Can you see yourself in the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.